Good morning. Time for another quick Tech for Senior tip. And today we're going to talk about the Bookmarks Bar. Takes up quite a bit of real estate underneath the address bar in your browser. And if you want to show more of what you actually want to see on a website, getting the Bookmarks Bar out of the way can give you more viewing area. And it's very simple to make that happen. Control, Shift, and B for bookmark. So hit the Control key, the Shift key, and B, it's gone. Control, Shift, and B, and it's back. So if you need more real estate to watch more of what you want to see, Control, Shift, B. When you want to get back to those bookmarks, hit it again. Control, Shift, B, and it's back. It's that simple. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps. Thanks for reading, watching, and listening.